Hello everyone, back in the motorhome again. Part 2 of the video we put up the other week. So we've now got a new thermal sensor for the diesel heater, and we are going to put it on. Now I will say that I've just done a test with the multimeter, and I hate to report that it's doing exactly the same as the old lead was doing in the previous video. So without further ado, let's get it fitted and let's see what it's actually doing. Okay, that's the new lead in place. There we go. Bit of a nightmare to attach this thing in, but we get there. Okay, so everything's been put back together. Let's see how it goes. I can see straight away that we've got no F9 error code, and also that that little bar thing down there's not showing any bars, which means that the thermal sensor is working better than the last one. So let's fire it up and see what happens. And it's starting up, so not a problem there. Well, let's come back to it in a minute. Okay, so the pump's running, fan's running, everything's doing what it should be doing so far. Importantly, we're down on 1 bar again on the temperature, so actually I think the sensor lead has worked. Thinking about that, we had about 2 or 3 bars there. 3 bars. We're in the yellow with the old lead, and now we're not, so I think we resolved it. Fingers crossed. Think we resolved it, Carl. It started off as 1 bar, and now we're on 2. So one of the problems before was just wouldn't really shut off. So I've just turned it off now, and it's going through its cool down process. So we'll see if it shuts down okay. Well, that's it then, guys. So it is repaired. So what was the problem? Well, we tested the lead as best we could without knowing the correct specification for the lead, and yeah, it seemed that the lead was defective because it was showing an open circuit with no resistance whatsoever. But yeah, buying the new lead was showing exactly the same meter reading, and putting it on has resolved the issue. So I'm no wiser, other than it's a matter of fact the old lead was defective. So there we go. About £4 something I think it was from China, the lead. So anyway, it's sorted, and we're off in the morning to a little trip local. I'm sure you'll see that on one of our YouTube videos to come. So until then, take care. See you soon.